What happens when you're alone with a 3D printer for the first time? I'm going to show you. Hi guys, my name is Mark and I'm going to tell you my experience with a 3D printer, getting it alone for the first time and trying to get it to work. I had inherited this printer from a coworker at my school who had given me some lessons on it, but they probably didn't give me as much as I needed to get it started. So I tried it out on my own, and I'm going to show you some video about what happened. So let's get into it. The printer is a Creality CR-10S. This is it. This is from the Creality website, the CR-10S 3D printer. And I saw a lot of videos on it, and it looks like a pretty good printer, and it should be printing great, but it just wasn't working for me. Now what eventually did work was I flipped the glass over, I lowered the print speed, I leveled the bed, and I leveled the bed about an hour, just playing with it, trying to get the feel for it, because I figured I don't have any experience with it, so I might as well try it. So I did the left front, then the left back, then the right back, and then the left front, and then the center, and I was like, is that right? And then I did it again because I wasn't sure. Eventually, yeah, it worked. But well, I'll show you. But I wasted a lot of PLA. Now, eventually, I ran out of time, and I had to go pick up my son and take him to piano practice. But so what I did is, supposedly, this printer can recover from a power failure. So I had a power failure. Okay, I've just simulated a power failure. Everything's off. There's my power failure. So tomorrow I'll go back to school, plug it back up, and see if it recovers. And tomorrow will happen like right away for you, but I need to go to bed. So, and I will do it again tomorrow.